Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with your Android phone step by step. This complete 2026 guide will help you keep all your calendar events updated automatically across your Android device and your Google account. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Click the Settings icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, under Settings for My Calendars, select the calendar that you want to sync with your Android phone. Now scroll down and click Integrate Calendar. Here you can see your calendar ID and other calendar details. This confirms that your Google Calendar is connected to your Google account and ready to sync with your Android device. To sync it with Android, open Settings on your Android phone, tap Accounts, then Google, and select the same Google account that you use for Google Calendar. Make sure the Calendar Sync option is turned on. Once Sync is enabled, your Google Calendar events will automatically appear in the Calendar app on your Android phone. Any event you create, edit, or delete in Google Calendar will automatically update on your Android device as long as Calendar Sync is enabled. That's it. This is the easiest way to sync Google Calendar with Android in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.